Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel today. Sorry about my red nose, it's sunburned. I'm sorry. Anyway, today we are opening 2 Minecraft blind boxes or bags, let's say. I was looking for the creepy crawly weird ones, like the round things that have the gross things in them, but I couldn't find them. I only went to Five Below and I got this. It's not a crafty item, Wanda. So Wanda and I, for those of you that don't know, she's one of my very besties and we're crafty buddies, and we have a pact right now that we are going 3 months without purchasing any crafty items that we don't need. Like, no more scissors. But if you run out of glue, then you can get the glue. You can replace what you have. But we're not to buy anything new. We're trying it. We'll see how we work out. But I went to Five Below, so I went to meet my sister for dinner, as we put it. It's a late lunch, early dinner. And I was early, because I'm always early. And sorry about my hair. And anyway, I went to Five Below and I found these. I also got, it smells so good. It's Casa Colada body and hair, it's hair fragrance. Oh, it smells like coconut. Island, Love Island, it's called. Look at that. And I got this Pool sunscreen. Poolside Tropical Touch SPF 30. Small bottle, but I got that. And I got this fragrance kit. Solar Flare. This was $7. It wasn't $5. They had Sea Vale, Pink Glow, and then Cocoa Cream. Coconut Milk, Pineapple Whip, and Golden Praline. Orange Blossom, Tropical Bloom, and Sun Kiss, Amber, and then Solar Neroli, Clementine Zest, and Crushed Sea Salt. I don't know what they smell like though, so let's smell it. And the packaging is banging. Sorry about my hair, but it's very nice out. And on my way back, I took my top down on my car. And this is what you get. Should I have fixed it before doing a video? Probably. But the packaging is really cool. So I'm going to save it for crafting. That comes with it, Wanda. That doesn't count. Okay. They're little bobbles. Oh. That one was open. It's now all over me. Don't be open too. I don't want to smell like a... Oh, that one smells delicious. This is Cocoa Cream. I love coconut. That smells like coconut. This one was Pink Glow. It's more of a perfumey smell than to my liking. And then Sea Vale. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, that one smells delish. Oh, they didn't have this in a big bottle, or I would have got it. I would have smelled them all if they had them in a big bottle. But anyway, that's them. Okay, now I smell like a French you know what. Hey, yay for my husband. Could be like, that one's not, it reminds me of a perfume my mom used to wear, which I love my mom very much, don't get me wrong. But there's this one perfume, I want to say it was called Red, but I don't think it was Red, that she used to wear. And I think that's why not too fond of this, because she's passed. And it makes me sad. So I think that's why. But anyway, okay. We got 2 of these. This is Minecraft. There's 8 to collect. There's a rare axolotl. That's what I want to get, the axolotl. I am big on Minecraft. If you know or don't know. So I got 2 of them. They were $5 each. Here is your options, your potential options. You could get the Creeper, Steve, Alex, a zombie, pig, a panda, oh how cute, a frog, and the axolotl. So I'm hoping we just, I don't care which one we get, I just hope we don't get 2 of the same. So let's do number 1. And somebody said there's a way you can tell which ones you get on some of them. I don't know if that's part of this. Each pack contains 1 collector. Alright. Oh, it's nothing. It's the frog and Unity. Are there different kinds of frogs, or is it just one color? No, it's just one color. We got the frog. Is it a keychain? Oh my gosh. You can hang it on your backpack. Oh, this is super cute. Stinking cute. Okay. We got that one. Please don't let it be the same. Please don't let it be the same. Please don't let it be the same. You guys look first. Is it the same? I'll open it. I'll open it. I'll open it. I know you can't tell by the packaging because they all feel the same. Who we get? What is this guy's name? Alex. We got Alex. That's okay. Hi, Alex. You're just floating around in here. Oh, hi. Alrighty, we have an Alex and we have a frog. Maybe next week I'll go back and get 2 more. And hopefully we'll get the whole set eventually. 2, 4, 6, 8. Maybe we'll get the whole set eventually. Oh, and I like that the water is different colors. I didn't realize that. Hey, look at the people. Don't be shy. Alex, turn around. I'm going to put them up on my Minecraft shelf. Look how cute. Yay. Okay, that's all I have to show you guys. Thank you for watching. And Wanda, it was not crafty. I found a loophole for my shopping. She's going to yell at me later. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Hey, subscribe. Bye.